Hello everyone, welcome to English World. Today we will be learning some basic sentences that we use in our day-to-day life from Hindi to English. Let's begin. A very common sentence that we use in our daily life is मुझसे झूठ ना बोलो. इसको हम इंग्लिश में कहेंगे Don't lie to me. So please repeat along with me. Don't lie to me. The next one is तुम्हें शर्म आनी चाहिए. For that we will say you should be ashamed. Please repeat again. You should be ashamed. The third one is मुझे शर्मिंदा मत करो. तो मुझे शर्मिंदा मत करो को आप कहेंगे Don't embarrass me. Don't is the short form for do not. So you can say do not embarrass me or don't embarrass me. The next one is मैं मजाक कर रहा हूँ. मैं मजाक कर रहा हूँ को आप कहेंगे I'm kidding or I'm joking. Both of them are correct. So you can say I'm kidding or I'm joking. आप मुझे गलत समझ रहे हैं. आप मुझे गलत समझ रहे हैं इसको हम इंग्लिश में बोलेंगे You are misunderstanding me. You are misunderstanding me is the English for आप मुझे गलत समझ रहे हैं. क्या मैं इसकी वजह जान सकती हूँ? इसके लिए आप कहेंगे May I know the reason behind it? May I know क्या मैं जान सकती हूँ? The reason behind it. Reason behind it means उसकी वजह. So may I know the reason behind this will be the English for this simple sentence. Next one is उसके जिम्मेदार तुम हो. उसको आप इंग्लिश में कहेंगे You are responsible for that. उसके जिम्मेदार तुम हो. जिम्मेदार को हम कहते हैं responsible. तो उसके जिम्मेदार तुम हो को हम कहेंगे You are responsible for that. Next one is मैं ये यूं ही पूछ रही हूँ. मैं ये यूं ही पूछ रही हूँ. यूं ही को हम बोलते हैं just like that. So we will say I'm asking this just like that. So you will say I'm asking this just like that. Just like that means ऐसे ही without any particular reason. So you can say I'm asking this just like that. कितनी शर्म की बात है. For that you will say what a shame. Please repeat with me. What a shame. ज़्यादा भाव मत खाओ. ज़्यादा भाव मत खाओ वो हम इंग्लिश में बोलेंगे Don't act so pricey. Don't act so pricey. Pricey. Pricey means ज़्यादा ही अपने आप को important समझना. तो we will say Don't act so pricey. Next one is इसीलिए तो मैंने उसे मारा. इसीलिए तो मैंने उसे मारा. इसको आप इंग्लिश में कहेंगे That's why I beat him. That's why I beat him. Now beat means मारना. beat के जो second form है that is also beat. So we will say इसीलिए तो मैंने उसे मारा को हम कहेंगे That's why I beat him. बात को ज़्यादा मत बढ़ाओ. बात को ज़्यादा मत बढ़ाओ को हम इंग्लिश में बोलेंगे Do not extend this matter further or do not stretch this matter. Do not extend this matter or do not stretch this matter will be the English for बात को ज़्यादा ना बढ़ाओ. Please repeat with me. Do not extend this matter. वो नहा रहा है. वो नहा रहा है को आप बोलेंगे He is bathing. Bathing. Bath is the noun and when it is used as a verb हम bathe बना देते हैं. तो the spelling remains bathing but the pronunciation is different. Instead of bath it becomes bathe. So we will say he is bathing. He is bathing. Next one is क्या बात है. क्या बात है is a very simple sentence. You will translate this as what's the matter. Please repeat. What's the matter. तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे हो. What are you looking for. तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे हो. What are you looking for. Please repeat with me. What are you looking for. उसका कोई भरोसा नहीं है. उसका you're talking about somebody. उसका कोई भरोसा नहीं है. He is not trustworthy. Trustworthy means भरोसेमंद. तो जो कोई trustworthy नहीं होता है तो we will say he is not trustworthy. You cannot trust that person. So he is not trustworthy. इसमें मेरा क्या कसूर है. इसमें मेरा क्या कसूर है को आप बोलोगे What's my fault in this. What is the short form for what is. You can say the full sentence What is my fault in this or What's my fault in this. Please ask like a question. What's my fault in this. शर्माओ मत. शर्माओ मत को हम इंग्लिश में बोलेंगे Don't be shy. Very simple. Don't be shy. Next one is इशारा मत करो. इशारा करने को हम बोलते हैं gesture. Gesture. So we will simply say do not gesture. Do not gesture. Next one is झगड़ा मत करो. झगड़ा is called quarrel in English. Quarrel. तो इसको हम कहेंगे do not quarrel. The next one is वो तुम्हारे जैसी दिखती है. वो तुम्हारे जैसी दिखती है को हम इंग्लिश में बोलेंगे She resembles you. Resemble mean एक तरह से दिखना. She resembles you. So she resembles you, you will say. वो तुम्हारे जैसी दिखती है. Since we are talking about a girl, we will say she resembles you. वो तुम्हारे जैसा दिखता है, वो हम बोलेंगे he resembles you. So the next one is जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. इसको हम इंग्लिश में कहेंगे there is no need to go. There is no need to go. कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. So please repeat with me. There is no need to go. हम लोग कोचिंग के लिए जा रहे हैं. तो we will say we are going for coaching. किसी पर्पस के लिए आप जाते हो तो आप बोलते हो we are going for shopping, we are going for coaching. So in this case you will say we are going for coaching. The next one is क्या अब मैं कुछ बोलूँ. आप इसको इंग्लिश में क्या कहेंगे. You will say may I say something. क्या मैं कुछ बोलूँ. Please repeat. May I say something. May I say something. अगर कोई बड़ा है तो आप उससे may I say something. आपकी टीचर हैं, बॉस है, somebody elder और you respect a lot, तो you will say may I say something. बट अगर आप हम उम्र के लोगों से बात कर रहे हो, अपने से छोटे से बात कर रहे हो, तो you will say can I say something. Both of them are correct. The next one is फोन आ रहा है. फोन आ रहा है मीन्स फोन बज रहा है. उसको आप बोलेंगे the phone is ringing. The phone is ringing. You can say the mobile is ringing, the telephone is ringing, the cell phone is ringing. The phone is ringing. The next one is मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ. गुस्सा दिलाने को हम बोलते हैं agitate. Agitate करना किसी को, गुस्सा दिलाना. To make someone angry, we call it agitate. So we will say do not agitate me. The next one is आपसे ये उम्मीद नहीं थी. आपसे ये उम्मीद नहीं थी को हम कहेंगे this was not expected from you. This was not expected from you means उम्मीद नहीं थी कि आप ऐसा करोगे. So we will simply say this was not expected from you. घबराओ मत. घबराओ मत को हम very simply we will say it as don't worry, don't panic. Both are correct. घबराने को हम इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं पैनिक करना, तो we will simply say don't panic. The next one is जो हो गया सो हो गया. There is an idiom for this which is known as let bygones be bygones. That means whatever has happened, we cannot change it. So please repeat with me. Let bygones be bygones means जो हो गया सो हो गया. तो हम इंग्लिश में एक बार फिर से कहते हैं let bygones be bygones. तुम डरपोक हो. डरपोक को हम इंग्लिश में कहते हैं coward. So we will say you are a coward. You are a coward. इसमें रोने वाली क्या बात है. इसमें रोने वाली क्या बात है को हम बोलेंगे what's there to cry about it. What's there to cry about it. आप मुझसे नाराज हैं क्या. In this we will say are you annoyed with me. Are you annoyed with me. एक बात बोलो, उसको हम इंग्लिश में बोलेंगे may I say one thing. May I say one thing. अगेन अगर आप बड़ों से पूछ रहे हो तो आप may बोलोगे, छोटों या बराबर वालों से पूछ रहे हो तो you will say can I say something. मैं अपनी जुबान का पक्का हूँ. इसको आप इंग्लिश में कहेंगे I am true to my words. I am true to my words. I do as I say. मैं अपनी जुबान का पक्का हूँ. Again I am true to my words. Next one is मैं पक्का आऊँगी या आऊँगा, तो आप इसको कहेंगे I'll definitely be there. I'll come for sure. I'll come for sure और I'll definitely come. मुझसे कौन मिलना चाहता है. मुझसे कौन मिलना चाहता है को आप बोलोगे Who wants to meet me. Who wants to meet me. Next one is मैं तुमसे कुछ पूछ रही हूँ. इसको आप कहेंगे I am asking you something. I am asking you something. Please repeat again. I am asking you something. ये उनका आपसी मामला है. आपसी को हम कहते हैं mutual. So we will say this is their mutual matter. We can also say this is their private matter. And finally our last sentence of the video is मामला बिगड़ गया है. मामला बिगड़ गया है को हम simply कहेंगे The matter has gone worse. The matter has gone worse. Bad means बुरा और बुरा हो गया है और बिगड़ गया है. इसको हम कहेंगे The matter has become worse. I hope you found the video helpful and learned a few words and sentences from this. You can watch the video again and while watching, take notes, write down the English sentences and read these sentences a few times so that you remember them by heart. That's all for today. Till we meet next time. Take care. Bye-bye.